Machine learning is a powerful tool revolutionizing the tech landscape, and countless projects exemplify its potential. First on the list is image recognition, where algorithms analyze visual input, identifying objects or people in photographs with astonishing accuracy. This technology is reshaping industries, from security to social media, as computers learn to see and interpret the world around them. Next, recommendation systems make every internet experience personal. By analyzing previous user behavior and preferences, these systems suggest movies, music, or products tailored for the individual. Retail giants and streaming services leverage this technology to enhance user engagement and satisfaction, turning data into a customized shopping spree or binge-watching experience. Thirdly, natural language processing, NLP, transforms human communication. Projects like chatbots and voice assistants utilize NLP to understand and replicate human speech, making customer service more efficient. With conversational interfaces becoming cleverer, users can enjoy seamless interactions, whether ordering pizza or troubleshooting tech issues. The fourth project is stock price prediction, where machine learning algorithms analyze historical data to forecast future market trends. By identifying underlying patterns, investors can make informed decisions. This project merges finance and technology, helping traders harness the potential of data to maximize profits. Then we have autonomous vehicles, a groundbreaking application of machine learning. These projects integrate computer vision, sensor data, and predictive algorithms to navigate roads safely. As self-driving cars inch closer to reality, they promise to transform transportation for everyone. Next is sentiment analysis, which gauges public opinion through social media and reviews. By evaluating language and tone, businesses can discern customer feelings toward their brand or product. This allows companies to adapt strategies according to consumer feedback, fostering a deeper connection with their audience. Eighth on the list, fraud detection systems protect financial institutions by identifying unusual patterns in transactions. By training algorithms to recognize typical behavior, these systems can alert banks of potential fraud, safeguarding both institutions and customers alike. Ninth, healthcare applications leverage machine learning to analyze patient data. From predicting diseases based on symptoms to optimizing treatment plans, this project has the potential to enhance patient care significantly. With accurate predictions, healthcare professionals can deliver more personalized treatment and preventative measures. Lastly, game development uses machine learning to create intelligent non-player characters, NPCs. These characters adapt their strategies based on player behavior, offering a more engaging and challenging experience. As gaming technology continues to evolve, players will